Okay, I thought it's time I go through some of my other pedals on the board that aren't made by me, or maybe some that are. Who knows, it's a crazy world out there. This is a sparkly blue box. Very well finished. Very nice. With an LED that shines so bright, you might as well be on another planet and sunbaking through it. Should have thought about what I was going to say there instead of that. Montreal Assembly, goodbye 24. Yeah, Scott from Montreal Assembly is an absolute freak with digital pedals. This is one of them. What does it do? I don't know. I like to call it the glitch box, mainly because it sort of sounds a bit hipster. No, I don't really know what it does. It's kind of a digital bit crusher style delay thing. On this side, it's not pictured. There is a expression pedal jack, so you can change the, I think it's the pitch or the length. I can't remember. Anyway, clean blend up here. I don't know. There's going to be a lot of I don't knows from this pedal because it's one of those things. Like, honestly, I'm just going to play some examples now. This is just clean. Actually, it might help if I turn up. Yeah, Fender Precision, Ampeg PF500, SWI Goliath Senior, Canon camera, and this. There you go. You have everything you need to know about how this tone was achieved and how not to go about it. Jump cut, I actually completely forgot what to do there. Anyway, you probably notice it has a mind of its own. Yeah, again, that's why I can't explain this thing. I'm just going to put it back on and twiddle with knobs. How they put it? Gay? Crying out loud, that was loud. hard to keep rhythm with that. Yeah, so that isn't even remotely everything on here. It is a weird box. You can get some good use out of it if you can really play around with it. Other things will just completely warp your brain. I can see this being very good on a synth player's board or rack or whatever. Bassists and guitarists can get a bit of fun out of it as well. I imagine it's a very fun thing for the studio. These are no longer in production. They've been replaced by the Count to 5? Yeah, Count to 5. This is mode 1 on that. Count to 5 has a lot more things. This is also version 1 of this pedal. There's a second version with an 8-second buffer. If you do own the first, you can ship it back, which I am going to do, to get it replaced for the 8-second buffer. There's a firmware update that Scott at Montreal Assembly can do for you. You can discuss that with him. He's all over the internet. You can look up his address. I'll put it in the link below so you can have a wander at all of his stuff and just be amazed by what he does. But yeah, weird pedal. I'm very happy that I bought it because I can see some very different things being created out of it. But as for everyday use, well, I don't know. I'm going to take it to practice next Monday and see how it goes, see if I can find any use for it, but if not, definitely a keeper for the studio and for weird stuff. I've got a piano over there. I might have to try that with it at some other time. For now, I'm going to go just like this pedal.